y bienvenidos a un nuevo video. Como ya vieron en la descripción, el día de hoy les voy a enseñar que como en una semana viviendo en Nueva York. Ahorita ya estoy en mi locación, pero me di cuenta que no les grabé intro, así que sin más preámbulos, vamos al chismecito por...
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Goes around the state.
Video para YouTube, ¿quieres salir?
Ok.
Es ¿qué estoy comiendo en una semana en Nueva York?
Waiting for the long
It's in every place where you can.
cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day.
In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you, so why don't you come to stay?
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the longer day.
Ok, hermana, ahora me vas a contar toda tu relación con tu novio.
Ok.
Ok, chingones, al parecer, vean, creo que se está cocinando, güey. Yo no sé ni qué hice, ni qué deshice, pero pues vamos a ver qué tal, porque esto de hacer estas cosas es lo mío, güey.
Walk into the place, I spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, across the road.
¿Quieres? Tengo para las ampollas. Oye, por favor, vamos a ver la película.
Soy hater de esa movie.
Ana es hater de
No
los
sabía
rom-coms.
que era.
Está súper falling in love, pero por alguna razón.
Ay, no
Hatea
quiero,
el
yo
amor.
quiero salir de que. No,
A ver.
Nosotros cruzando a las 12 de la noche, güey, 3 calles de regreso.
Güey, en la lluvia.
Sí, güey, de que no.
¿Qué vamos a preparar el día de hoy?
No, te vas a preparar.
Cena coquette.
Cené.
Entonces no quieren cupcake.
Todavía no, gracias. Pero si quieres comer, no me guardes, si quieres comer.
Y yo cuando se
De
den cuenta ya no hay.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. It's nothing like the way that you.
Okay, tell the story.
When he met me, I was like that.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Oh my god.
Show her.
You're ready.
Sure. I'm actually
You
very
never be ready.
No.
It was like that.
Uh-huh.
I think
Uh-huh.
it's because I get like stressed with the boys.
Okay.
Because of my last relationship, the one that I told you, like I was 15 years old and the man was 20.
Oh my god.
Baby, you got me going oh so crazy. You got me in my mind, I've been thinking so lately. Broke down, I've done it all before. Words are said, but they left right through the door. Like a storm that's under the sun, I'm unknown to the one I love. Play it out, baby girl, I'm no liar. No doubt, baby, you got me wired. Thought I had it all figured out. One foot forward as I break down. I know you're tired, broke down. I know we tried and found out it was never meant to go.
Un día más.
Un día
Comiendo lo mismo. Ay, si quieren, les iba a decir, les hubiéramos grabado qué compramos en el súper, pero bueno, si quieren ver qué compro en el súper, déjenlo en los comentarios.
Como más detallado, así que.
Sí, güey.